Hi, I am Edward Cody, and I'm very excited to start the next lesson, Orders of Operations. Now, this lesson is going to show you how we do the orders of operations. So an operation would be like saying 15 times 3, or 3 divided into 15. So it's basically having a number and another number either divided, multiplied, minused, or added to each other. So that's basically what an operation is. Now there's this way to remember the orders of operation. And this is an acrostic poem. It's called PEMDAS. Now, as you can see on my board, I have written down the orders of operation. P is for parentheses, E is for exponents, M is for multiply, D is for divide, A is for add, S is for subtract. Now, we use these if we're solving a problem. And we do the parentheses first, and we always go left to right. And what's most important is we follow this rule. This is the order of the operation. Now, parentheses look something like this. So P would look something like that. These are what parentheses are. Parentheses are used in this problem. They're also used in books either to sound at the syllables of one complicated word, or give the reader what the word means so that they can understand it, or just something not important that'll help you out. So those are what parentheses are. Now, exponents look something like this. So if we were talking about exponents, we would say 3 to the 3rd power. So this is my example. 3 times 3 times 3. That would equal 27. So I think you get what I'm saying here. So if I just had 3 to the 2nd power, it would just be 3 times 3. If it was to the 3rd power, it would be this. 3 times 3 times 3. The 4th power, you can see my point. So that is all for that. Now, the next one is multiply, then we divide, then we add, then we subtract. So it is whatever the problem has. So, for example, if I was talking about a problem, say 4 times 5 divided by 7, what we would do is we would use these, because not all of these things will be in every single problem. We just need to follow what is on the problem in the correct order. So that is that. So E for exponents, M for multiply, D for divide, A for add, S for subtract. Now, another way to remember this is not only by PEMDAS, but please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So that might help you. Now, I'm going to take a look at some of the examples I have in my notebook. So the first one is 25 minus 4 times 3. So as we were talking about, the dot means to multiply. So then what we're going to do is we're going to take, because it has multiply first, we're going to do 4 times 3. It would equal 12 minus 25, and then that would equal, okay, so how are we going to solve this? Well, 5, 4, 3, 1. So then that would equal 13. So that is that. That is that one. Now we're going to do another one. And this time we're going to do it with parentheses. So this one is 48 divided by 12 divided by 2. So what are we going to do first? Well, we have to go left to right. But of course, it hits the eye. 12 divided into 2 would give you 6. Then divided by 48 would give you 8. So that would be 8. So that is using parentheses. Now this is one that uses exponents. Let's see, do I have any with exponents here? No, I don't. So let's see. So now what we need to do is 5 times 3 to the 3rd power. Then we need to do, let's see, 5 minus 3. So this is how we're going to solve this one. So first, we're going to look at the parentheses. 5 minus 3, 5, 4, 3, 2. Then we're going to do 5 times, and 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. So then that would be, let's see, so we're going to set it up. So 27 times 5. So this would be 35, 10, 11, 12, 13. 135 times 2 would give you 135 times 2. So 5 times 2 is 10. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. And then 2. So 270 would be the answer to that one. So that is how we use exponents in the problems. Let's try a couple more. So if we start out by doing the easiest problem, 4 times 6, that would just equal 24. That's very easy. Now, that's going to be all for that. Let's do one more. So I think you kind of get the hang of this now. So 11 minus 3 times 8 minus 4. So, of course, this is what we do. 11, it would be 8 And then we just go across. Times 8, which would be 38, I believe. Oh, dang! This is messing me up. I'm going to stop.